The CDC said to avoid the coronavirus, you need to stay in your home. If you don't own a home, we'll call my mom and her team, and she can find you a home.
All right, so today just wanted to bring a little fun into the game and show y'all and ask you, if you can see yourself being quarantined here in this beautiful home.
Yeah, so, we have a lot of common questions that's coming out, how can you, if you are renters and you're stuck in the house, we are here to help you to find a home. And if you can see yourself quarantined here, give us a call. And how do you add value to your home in 2020? Our team come up with the answer is toilet papers. TP your whole house and you can get at least $20,000 on your appraised value. So call us and we can do a CMA for you. We can do a market analysis to let you know how you can increase the home price.
So we're committed to keeping our clients safe, happy, and healthy. If you're experiencing fever, chills, coughing, sneezing, or any other symptoms of illness, we kindly ask that you reschedule your showing. For your peace of mind, all surfaces have been disinfected to prior showing, and the doors have been left open if possible to minimize contact. We ask that all guests abide by the following measures to keep a safe viewing environment for all. Use hand sanitizer upon entering and exiting. Please do not sit on the furniture or the bed. And if available, please wear booties over your shoes. Please be mindful of how many surfaces you are touching throughout your showing. We appreciate your understanding and cooperation.
Yeah, as you can see, we do put a lot of, measurements and warnings to make sure that, you're safe and healthy. And we thought that, we brought some, information for you, because again, sanitizer is running out. Because, just like me, I bought a lot of sanitizers. So what other options do we have to make sanitizers? So Deborah, what is your tricks?
One of the options we have is using bleach to sanitize the areas. So, and it only takes like 2 tablespoons of bleach for a quart of liquid of water, and it takes 1/3 cup of bleach per gallon of water. You spray it on the surface, you wipe it, and leave it for about 20 seconds, and then it's disinfected.
That is beautiful. What about you, Chad? What do you got?
All right, hey Phyllis, so hey, I'm here with you today, and I just want to show you what I came up with since when I went to the store. They were all out of Clorox wipes and hand sanitizers and everything. So the wife and I, we sat down and we thought outside the box. And what we came up with is from the 99-cent store, a package of baby wipes and one of their bottles of 99-cent spick and span cleaner that is 99.9% antibacterial. And so what we did is we had just decided to create our own Lysol, Clorox wipes, whatever you want to call them. If you want to say spick and span wipes, then there you go. And basically what we do is we just take a Tupperware, we take the baby wipes and we put them in the Tupperware, and then we take the bottle of spick and span here and we just open it up. And what we did is we just took a little bit. We don't need that much because otherwise it's only going to absorb so much. So we just poured it in on top of the baby wipes in the Tupperware. And then from there, we just take the Tupperware, shake it up, get it all moved around in there. And since this is just a demo, I did a small amount of baby wipes. However, what we did is we made a large Tupperware, and I take this with me everywhere I go, wipe everything down, especially when showing homes. This is my new Lysol.
That is amazing. Thank you, Chad. That is actually a good hack. Good hack.
Thank you. I appreciate that. And it works. So far, so good. No COVID, whatever you want to call it for me.
Beautiful. So for me, I am actually a little bit lazier, so I find some tricks and tips. First off, obviously I bought a lot of Clorox, and I'm not sure whether you know or not, right behind here, actually it says human coronavirus. So I guess, Clorox actually know what they're talking about. And I definitely have a lot of smell good sanitizers, if you can see that. So my tricks is, I just use baby wipes, and I got the 70% alcohol, and I just pour it in there and then start using the wipes, because then now, it really kills germs, and, you can still buy baby wipes everywhere. So I hope that really helped, because, hey, baby wipes is one of the best thing in the world for moms, right, moms? Arlene, you want to read it up for us?
Yes, when you are grateful, fear disappear in abundance appears. So it's just whatever our society right now, we're all a lot of fear. We're just grateful for, because of our government is doing actions to, we're quarantined at home for 14 days, and stay away from each other. To it's just whatever in your fear right now to disappear. Just be grateful. You're healthy. We have a food. We have all the necessities that we need. We are still have a lot to be grateful for.
Yes. What about you, Chad? What are you grateful for at this time?
Oh man, I'm just grateful to be able to keep business going. We've had a lot of meetings as a team. How can we serve our clients and take care of them and keep them for life, and going on and doing virtual meetings and things like that to keep our business rolling, and being able to have the technology around. I'm very thankful for that.
Deborah?
I'm very thankful for just this time that we get to spend with family, but at the same time, we're still able to reach out to our clients and talk to them and make sure that they're safe, and just to keep our relationship going in all directions. It's like this is relationship building time, because we're all at home just sitting around, and so it's the time to talk to each other and see what each other is doing.
Yes, absolutely. And for me, it's almost as like what they all say, sum up. I think that, because of technology too, we are getting busier and busier every day. And, this coronavirus actually kind of slowed me down, give me more time to spend with my kids. At the same time, not losing touch. We just have almost a marathon, a good 5 hours on, how to get ourselves better, how to do virtual meeting with our client, how to make sure that, the client is still getting overpriced, offer on their listing. And if they are buying, how can we get them through with lenders, because lenders are still working. And not last but not least, I'm just really, really grateful that, again, I'm still alive. I still have a home. Our internet is still here. There is, lights and water, food. Again, I know that it's a very difficult time, but again, we are here to help you. Teamwork make the dreams work. And, I really appreciate all the team that we have here, because, again, even though we're slowing down, we reevaluate our mission. Still the mission didn't change. We still wanted to help people to get into a home, and also help people to sell their home when they are ready to move out of country, downsize, or upgrade because they have a new baby coming in. So anyway, and I hope you enjoyed this episode. If you have any question, click down below, and let us know. Let us know if you have any other questions, or schedule an appointment with us. We do a lot of online training. We also have a lot of online training relates to how do you get better with personal life, how to get a job, how to get a virtual job, not just related to real estate only. So, but anyway, if you are really in the market to buy and sell right now, is the best time. So call us and we'll tell you exactly how to make that happen. Have a good day. Bye-bye.
That's a good one.